What's up everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna share you how to create the spreading effect for your presentation in Canva. So the first step that you need to do is you can go to this presentation files and it's gonna bring you into this blank project. And you can start to decide about the thing that you'd like to present. For example, I'm going to talk about the history of Viva, and the information that I got will be from this ChatGPT in 4 points, for example. And after that, you can start to add the icon. For example, I'm going to have the frame. And I will use the graphic, for example. I'm gonna use this one and I will rotate it. For example, like this. And I will add the text inside this frame. For example, the history of FIFA, or just copy it from here and paste it here. And then you can do the adjustment for this font type. For example, I'm gonna use this font of Bara Bara. The name is cute over here. For example, like this. And then if I change the color for this background, you will see that this will follow the background over here. However, I want to close this area to have another background. So I will go to this section and type paper. Or it's gonna be better if you also type the paper texture. And for example, I'm going to select this one and I will put the position to be below this frame. So it's gonna look like this. And after that, I will make this all of three, the text and also this layer and also this frame into the one group. If you have the difficulties to make this all into the one group by clicking or selecting all of this section, don't worry, because there is also the alternative. That is, you can select it from these layers, but you need to press the control first into your keyboard. Press it first and then click this section and this section and click the group. And there you go. You now can move this object easily, and also this will gonna follow together. And this is the time to create the another information. For example, I'm going to put the another information with this paper again, and I'm gonna put it here. I will slightly make this history of FIFA that in the center to be a little bit smaller, and I will put the information over here. I will duplicate it and do the same, and I'm gonna put it here. Okay, I will make it a little bit lower, and then you can fill all of this area in this paper with the information from here. For example, the foundation, go to the text and click the, you can use the subheading or this, paste it, give the bold, and now you can start to adjust the size of this text until it's gonna fit into this area. For example, like this, and then you can do the same for the rest of the information. For example, like this, and after that, I will start to make this point like the foundation in the A, B, C, D, and so does the background like this stem to be into the one group. So if you find the difficulties to select this one point all, don't worry because you can go to the position, and after that I will select this all, or one by one it is okay. Select this first and then press the control, select it, and do the same thing for the rest of this point. For example, like this, as you can see, I only select this area, and after that make it into the group so that you can also do the movement or move it freely. And after that, you can start to duplicate this page or this slide to be like this. And after that, I will move on to this first slide or the slide 1. And after that, I will start to make this all to be really smaller and put it behind this section. Like this. And move the frame to be the first layer. Like this. And after that, I will move on to the second slide. And for this section, I will start to give the animation for it. And for example, I'm going to try the succession. This one. And I will start to try to play with the intensity. And after that, you can start to give the transition effect. That is the match and move. And after that, I will start to maximize the size of this frame, the history of Viva, and make sure you can put it in the center of this slide. Like this, and you can start to play it. There you go. If you'd like to have the smooth movement, so you need to play with the duration for this match and move, let's say to be 1.5 seconds, and start to play it again, and let's see the result. There you go. What do you think, guys? Do you like this transition effect, like the spreading? And if you like it, then you can try it and you can let us know how this works for you. And I hope these tools and tutorial find you helpful. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.